Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone and welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我是 Joseph Ling Lim Zep Siu, and I want Leo to teach us nursery rhymes， 也就是要你介绍一些童谣的时候了。
好的，
来，
那我们今天就来介绍这个，回忆一下我们的童年时光的童年真快乐。
哦，童年都就是童年的意思，
就是童年。
Okay, 童年 means when you're a kid, all right? When you're a little child. 所以童年要怎么样？很快乐？
真快乐，
真快乐。Okay, how to stay happy as a kid? 快乐，你刚刚说怎么说？
快乐，
快乐。Okay, that means happy. 好，那这个童谣怎么个念法呢？
那我先念咯。童年真快乐，要發牌，上課教學用心堂。童年真快樂，要發牌，下課邊學轉福卡。乜嘅都有興趣，看到就想問，平時都運動。保健康，狀態貢獻社會國家。
沙發，然後呢？沙飛歸家，
說長大要貢獻社會國家。什麼沙發？
我也在沙發上跳，活蹦亂跳。that last line 這麼 serious 啊！到後面是要勵志，要讓小朋友知道要以後要這個貢獻社會國家，
對，
是不是？
小時候我們都寫說我們的志願需要當總統。
也是啊。好 ，that last line that you heard ends with about encouraging kids to contribute to society and to the whole country. When they grow up. 这前面一直听到发爬，
活泼发pat。
发pat. Okay, I keep on hearing fat pat actually means cheerful or very spirited. 也就是说童年的时候要快乐又活泼就对了。
对。
Okay, so as a child, during your young years, you should be happy and spirited. 那里面有教到什么？好像有去上课啊、下课啊，是不是？
上課就上課的時候要用心聽，然後下課呢就趕快回家。
Okay.
再來就講說，乜嘅都有興趣，就是什麼都有興趣。
Okay.
小孩子最愛問東西了嘛，問問題。
Yeah, the 乜嘅都有興趣。That means curious about everything. Okay, that's great. And then, go to school, learn, come back home after school. And finally, don't forget to contribute to society and the country when you grow up. All right, that again is a nursery rhyme talking about how to be happy and cheerful during your childhood years. 也就是童年真快乐。怎么说？
童年真快乐。
All right, that does for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.